Choosing the right hair clipper can make a big difference in achieving clean cuts and professional results. In this video, we explore 6 of the best WMARK hair clippers and trimmers, known for their powerful motors, sharp blades, and reliable performance. Whether for home grooming or barber use, these tools are built for precision and durability. Let's get started. Number 6. WMARK NG 125 FA 1981 NG 7982. WMARK NG 125 is a professional 3-piece barber set designed for precision grooming and consistent performance. This set includes a clipper, trimmer, and electric shaver, each built with durable materials and high-efficiency motors. The clipper features a 5CR15 fixed taper blade paired with a ceramic moving blade, delivering long-lasting sharpness and smooth cutting results. With a motor speed of 7,500 rotations per minute, it provides stable power while maintaining low vibration and reduced noise for a comfortable experience. The trimmer comes with a full metal DLC blade and zero-gap cutting capability, making it ideal for detailed edging and clean lines. Its R-angle safety design ensures skin-friendly operation, while the removable cutter head allows easy maintenance. The electric shaver is equipped with dual floating heads and an ultra-thin titanium foil, supported by a high-speed motor reaching 9,000 rotations per minute for a close and efficient shave. Battery performance is reliable across all devices, with capacities ranging from 1,400 to 2,000 mAh, offering up to 210 minutes of use. Type-C charging, LED indicators, and waterproof design on the shaver enhance usability. Multiple guide combs and accessories make this set versatile for both professional barbers and home users. Pros: powerful motors, durable blades, long battery life. Cons: slightly bulky set, charging time could be shorter. Number 5. WMARK NG 9213. WMARK NG 9213 is a professional finishing trimmer designed for precise detailing and clean grooming results. It features a high-performance magnetic motor that operates at 9,000 rotations per minute, delivering consistent cutting power suitable for both barbers and personal use. The trimmer is equipped with a DLC-coated T-blade combined with a ceramic moving blade, offering excellent sharpness, durability, and reduced heat during extended sessions. The zero-gapped blade design allows extremely close cutting, making it ideal for sharp lines, edging, and detailed finishing work without causing skin irritation. This precision is further enhanced by the high-quality powder metallurgy fixed blade, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Cordless functionality adds convenience, supported by a 1,400 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 60 minutes of operation after a full charge of around 2 hours. The Type-C charging interface ensures modern compatibility and faster recharging, while the LED indicator keeps you informed about battery status. Its lightweight, ABS body, and ergonomic shape make handling easy during detailed trimming tasks. The package includes 4 guide combs, cleaning brush, oil, and charging cable, giving users flexibility for different styles and easy maintenance. Overall, this trimmer focuses on precision, efficiency, and user comfort in a compact design. Pros: powerful motor, precise zero-gap cutting, durable blade. Cons: shorter battery runtime, limited guide comb range. Number 4. WMARK NG X1. WMARK NG X1 is a high-performance professional hair clipper designed for barbers who demand speed, precision, and durability. It is powered by an ultra-high-speed motor reaching 10,000 rotations per minute, allowing it to cut through thick and coarse hair smoothly and efficiently. This makes it ideal for fast-paced grooming sessions without sacrificing accuracy. The clipper features diamond-like carbon-coated blades that are highly resistant to wear and corrosion. These blades stay sharper for longer while reducing friction and heat buildup, ensuring a more comfortable cutting experience during extended use. The precision click-lock taper lever offers adjustable cutting lengths from 1 to 5 mm, giving clear and consistent control for fades, blends, and detailed styling. Cordless operation is supported by a 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 150 minutes of runtime after a full charge. The included charging dock adds convenience by keeping the device secure and ready to use at all times. Its sturdy metal and ABS body enhances durability while maintaining a balanced and ergonomic feel in hand. Additional accessories such as magnetic guide combs, cleaning tools, and replacement casings make it a complete grooming solution for both professionals and home users seeking reliable performance. Pros: very powerful motor, durable blades, long runtime. Cons: longer charging time, slightly heavier build. Number 3. MARK 8004 and 8204. MARK 8004 and 8204 form a professional clipper kit designed for efficient and precise haircutting. Both models are equipped with advanced motor technology and DLC-coated blades, paired with ceramic moving blades, delivering smooth performance with reduced heat and long-lasting sharpness. The 8004 stands out with a brushless motor that operates between 8,000 and 9,000 rotations per minute, offering powerful and consistent cutting for thick hair and professional use. The 8204 model features a reliable motor with speeds ranging from 7,500 to 8,000 rotations per minute, making it suitable for regular grooming and lighter tasks. Both clippers support dual speed adjustment, allowing better control depending on hair type and styling needs. Wireless charging technology adds convenience, supported by a magnetic charging dock that keeps the devices secure and ready for use. The 8004 includes a 2,000 mAh battery that provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, while the 8204 offers around 120 minutes with a smaller battery capacity. LED displays on both models show battery level and speed settings for better usability. The semi-transparent magnetic cover design enhances safety and easy maintenance. Multiple guide combs and accessories ensure versatility for different cutting lengths and styles, making this kit suitable for both professional barbers and home users. Pros: strong motor performance, wireless charging convenience, durable blades. Cons: charging time is relatively long. 8204 has lower battery capacity. Number 2. MARK NG 8613. MARK NG 8613 is a professional hair clipper kit built for both barbers and home users who need reliable performance and precision. The set includes a clipper and trimmer, designed to handle the full haircutting process from bulk cutting to fine detailing. Both tools feature DLC-coated blades combined with ceramic moving blades, ensuring sharp cutting, reduced friction, and long-lasting durability. The clipper operates with a dual-speed motor ranging from 7,500 to 8,500 rotations per minute, delivering strong and consistent power without pulling or snagging hair. The trimmer also includes adjustable speed settings, making it ideal for shaping edges, sideburns, and beard lines with accuracy. The fade-fixed blade design allows smooth blending and clean transitions. A full metal body adds durability and a premium feel, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The cordless design improves flexibility, supported by a 2,500 mAh battery in the clipper and a 1,400 mAh battery in the trimmer. Both devices offer around 120 minutes of runtime, suitable for continuous grooming sessions. Charging is convenient with both a base charger and Type-C cable option, making it practical for shop or mobile use. Magnetic guide combs and included accessories enhance versatility, allowing different cutting lengths and styles. Pros: durable metal build, strong motor performance, versatile two-piece kit. Cons: moderate runtime, slightly heavier due to metal body. Number 1. WMARK NG 8632 Kit. WMARK NG 8632 Kit is a complete professional grooming solution designed for efficient and precise haircutting. This set includes both a clipper and a trimmer, each equipped with high-speed motors running at around 9,000 rotations per minute, ensuring smooth cutting through thick, curly, or coarse hair without pulling. The quiet operation also makes it suitable for continuous salon use without discomfort. Both tools feature premium blades, including a stainless steel fade blade for the clipper and a DLC-coated blade for the trimmer, paired with ceramic moving blades. This combination delivers sharp, consistent performance while reducing heat and friction during extended sessions. The result is clean fades, sharp lines, and accurate detailing. The build quality stands out with a durable zinc alloy body that resists scratches and minor impacts. Its ergonomic design supports long working hours by reducing wrist fatigue and improving grip control. The kit is designed for versatility, with multiple guide combs included for different cutting lengths, making it suitable for fades, buzz cuts, and beard styling. Battery performance is reliable, with the clipper offering up to 180 minutes of runtime and the trimmer up to 240 minutes. Charging is supported through a modern Type-C interface, and LED indicators help monitor power levels easily. Additional accessories like spare blades and cleaning tools enhance long-term usability and convenience. Pros: powerful motors, durable build, long battery life. Cons: charging time is moderate, slightly heavy for beginners. Each of these WMARK clippers and trimmers offers a unique balance of power, precision, and convenience. From high-speed performance to long battery life and durable designs, there is an option for every grooming need. Consider your usage style and features that matter most to find the right tool for consistent and efficient results.